Hello guys, welcome to Berama Academy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download different data like land use, land cover, digital elevation model, shapefile for entire country, roads and rivers. Let's start. Open Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Just type DIVA-GIS by country here and select data, and I already open it here. uh, let's close this one and this one as well. uh, Here you just select the country of your interest. For example, we can take Algeria, and which data you want to download. They have different data here: administrative area, inland, they have elevation, roads, river, land cover. And let's start with administrative area, and just click here, it will download. And then we are interested on roads. Download, elevation, download. And you can change the format as well, like they have different format: TIFF or GRD, grid. You can download land cover as well. That's it. uh let's see it in download. Yeah, the data is here, different type of data. It's in, we can just unzip it, extract file. Okay, second file. Yes, and then open ArcGIS to visualize the data you downloaded. And in ArcGIS, we can navigate to the folder where our data is stored. Here, first we'll start with administrative area, and there is three type of data stored here. It's mentioned 0, 1 and 2. So 0 is for entire country without any states or district. Let's select all. Yes, you just clearly show it here. So the first one is for entire country without any boundaries of cities or district. And the second one is for states, and third one for districts as well. This the boundary for entire country Algeria as we download it. Let's navigate to another data. Go back. First we start with administrative area shapefile. Now is digital elevation models. Okay, so this is a digital elevation models for entire country Algeria. We can just open the map. Yes, it's here. uh, Let's go to land cover here. Land cover. Okay, here our land cover. We just change the color to the color we wish. For example, this one. And let's go to navigate to roads. Yeah, this road for entire country. And we can download rivers as well. Here we forget to download river. We can select it here. River, it's inland water. Download. It's still downloading. It will take some time, so we'll go and see. Uh, so what I suggest is when you download land cover uh, from DIVA by country, it will give you land cover for entire country. But the problem is, uh, as we know, land cover is changing every year. So I suggest that whoever want work with land use land cover, he just go and see other website like Sentinel or Landsat. But digital elevation models as is not changing that much, so you can download it from here or you can download it from other source like USGS or Open Topography. Yes, it's downloaded. mm, where is, yeah, we just extract our file here. Okay, just open here, navigate to water. We have shapes and we have this one. Let uncheck other because we already show it, and leave water and the shape. This is the water for the entire country. You just use your shape file and extract to your area interest.